Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. I have some bad news, man. Someone broke into my little carport here and they gutted my boat, man. All the hard work that I put in, me and my buddy Dave, shout out to Dave. Man, I'm pretty hurt right now. The police just left right now. They went around and took pictures and all this, and there was actually some stuff that they took fingerprints and stuff on, but man, someone came through and stole everything, man. It hurts, man. I put a lot of time, blood, sweat, and tears in this, and someone jacked me. So I'm gonna go around and show you the damage. So yeah, here it is. Came through, cut wires, stole my motor, stole my batteries, man. They didn't take this bilge pump, but they took the bilge pump that was set up in the back here. Even took my boat plug, man. Who takes a dang boat plug? Look at this. Completely broke all my locks. Broke all my locks, took all my gear. Hey, they didn't get this battery though. But it looks like they cut everything. Man. All my gear. Fish finder. Remember the motor I just put on? Yep, that's gone. Looks like they kind of ruined my... Man. Stole everything, man. They broke this lock. They broke all my locks, man. Took everything. Took my seats, my motors, fish finder, all my gear. So even though I had everything locked up, man, they just broke off all of the locks. And they took everything, man. I feel so violated, bro. So violated. Man, I still got all the boxes. All the brand new stuff I just put on there too, man. Gosh. Like I said, man, the police was already here. They came, took fingerprints and all that. They tore off my dang, my straps. I think they tried to pick up the whole boat, but they didn't realize how heavy it was. Cut everything, man. Golly. I mean, they broke off my flipping, my whole casting deck, man. They just, I don't know if they unscrewed it or what they did. And they just broke everything off, man. Hey, man, they left me an oar and a flotation device. And a couple of my laminated maps of a couple of these local lakes around here. But yeah. Sucks, man. Sucks. Yeah, when I noticed it, I didn't touch anything because I waited for the police to come, but man, look at this, man. They broke everything off, man. Gosh. Sucks. The bad thing about this is, man, they had to have had a lot of time too I meant to tear this all apart. Are you kidding me? And gut it like this? It'd take so long. I talked to all the neighbors. The neighbors didn't hear anything. They actually didn't break the lock on my live well because I didn't have it locked. But still, this is the tackle I have left, man. I have some worms and some hooks. Other than that, they took everything. This sucks. Hey, they left me half a bottle of water. Man. So it's time to rebuild. And I have it in this garage port deal. And yeah, there's no lock or anything on there, but I thought that having the locks on it, that it wouldn't that they wouldn't break into it. But man, they just went ahead and just busted off locks and stuff, man. Junkies, man. Had to have been Junkies, because no real bass angler would steal some other bass angler stuff, man. These Junkies, man. These Junkies. Can't believe this. Can't believe this, man. This hurts. I feel so violated, man. Violated. And to think it was probably someone in my own dang neighborhood. Like I said, they cut all the wires. I mean, this is how stupid they are, man. They left the transducer and they just cut the wire. I'm so upset right now. So anyways, yeah, this video is just to show you, please lock your stuff up safely. I mean, they didn't break the lock. Time to start all over. Gotta get a new motor, new sonar, new back motor. It was a transom electric motor. It wasn't a gas motor. I fish electric motor only tournaments, so I didn't have a gas motor. I just had a bow mount and a transom electric. Stole my seats, man. Oh, this one hurts. This hurts. I don't know if the police took pictures of this, but it looks like they was either smoking cigars or using them for blunts. Oh, I got another bait. So yeah, man, there it is. The wreckage, man, the damage. I know I already said when I was walking around, but man, I feel so violated, man. I feel hurt. I can't believe that people would do this. Man. Anyways, man, lock up your stuff. I'm gonna take it out of this garage thing and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my real garage. Thank goodness that I had all my rods in the garage. I didn't have them here. So basically what I have is I have my rods, all my setups, and that pack of hooks and some worms, man. That's my tackle. Oh man, this sucks. Like I said, I kept everything locked in here, all my gear, you know, all my tackle, so I thought that it would be safe. But all they have to do is break some, all they gotta do is break the locks off. So this isn't a happy video, man. I'm not gonna teach you anything. And man, I'm kind of speechless, man. This hurts. This one hurts. It's like losing a best friend, you know. One of your close friends dies or something. That's what it feels like. Completely violated, man. My buddy said, "Hey, man, too bad you didn't catch him." And I'm thinking to myself, I'm glad I didn't catch him, because if I caught him, I'd be asking for bail money right now, you know. So this is going to take a while for me to go ahead and get my boat back up. It's going to take a lot of time, money, more blood, sweat, and tears. Anyways, alright guys. That guy Skimpy, please subscribe. Please lock up your stuff better than I did, obviously. Please, I mean, obviously this carport didn't work. I mean, I know there's no locks or nothing on the carport, but I thought it was tucked away far enough where that people wouldn't steal it, but I guess that junkie needed that fix, man. Alright guys, that guy Skimpy.